on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. In moments like this. I try to take a breath, thoughts racing through my head. I try to capture it, but a picture can't hold what a heart is feeling.
Kelsey, you are my rock, the joy of my life, and the best partner that I could ever ask for. I feel overwhelmingly blessed to be standing next to you today in front of all of our family and friends. These past few years spent with you have been the happiest I've ever been, and I wouldn't trade our love for the world. You have supported me through the thick and thin. You have pretended to laugh at my terrible dad jokes. And most importantly, you have loved me for exactly who I am. In the smallest of moments, I find my heart overflowing with joy that you are mine. Over the last year, I have watched you give your heart and soul to this little family of ours. You are the best mama to Jameson, a thoughtful and caring partner, and the best Celine Dion karaoke singer of all time. I know we will have our ups and downs, but I take comfort in knowing that you will always be there by my side. I vow to love you with all my heart. I vow to be patient, kind, and understanding through all of life's challenges. I vow to cherish all the memories we will make together in this life. Love, Christian.
Christian, I never pictured myself already being married going into my wedding day. But after doing life with you for the past 3 years and conquering our first year of marriage, the only thing that matters to me is that I am standing here in front of you as happy as I was the day I said I do exactly 1 year ago. Our story hasn't been typical. We have been through some high highs and low lows, but something always drew us back together. And in the end, we chose each other even when it wasn't the easy thing to do. Though we have had to get through many obstacles to be here, I truly wouldn't have it any other way. Life with you is the life I want to spend every day living. There are so many things that I adore about you, from your hand massages, your lame jokes that I've heard a million times, the way you order my second choice meal so I can try both when I can't decide between two. The way you kiss my forehead, the way you're my biggest supporter in all things, even if you don't understand them, and the way you encourage me to be my weird self. But the biggest reason I love you is because of how evident you make it that me and Jamie are your world. You are constantly making sure I know you love me and others see that too. It makes me feel so special, and I know I am so lucky to be the one you chose to love. Watching you become a dad and prioritize being an amazing father and husband has by far been my favorite part of our life together. And Jameson will never understand how lucky he is to get to call you Dad. I vow to always be your biggest supporter, even when I don't understand. To be your biggest confidant, even when I don't agree. To never go to sleep angry without saying I love you. To be your biggest fan, your best friend, and the love of your life until I die, because I swear you better not die before me. I love you so damn much, and I'm so happy to continue being your wife and living this life of bliss with you and Bubs. With all my love, Kelsey.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. So take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for I can't help falling in love with you. Feel like we in paradise, paradise. Don't know if it's a drink I pour, but I swear I've never loved you more. Make you right.
May you always be true to each other. May you always be kind to each other. May you share in all the burdens, all the joys, and all the happiness that the world has in store for you both.
Turns nice into memory. Count up the bands you been working all summer.
And he was there when I was so sick that all I needed was a silent friend to be at my side. And I know he's gonna be in for you, Kelsey, in that same exact way. He's gonna be there for your highs, and he's gonna be there for your lows.
Shit you can't deny. It's that shit you feel inside. It's our life, our time, we living well.
Kelsey, you found the Derek Shepherd to your Meredith Grey. You never thought you would. But the universe is funny that way. Sometimes it just has a way of making sure we wind up exactly where we belong.
This shit be like Friday night.